Hello everybody, this is Val with
This is how we do it. This is how we do it.
Well, people, 35 degrees Celsius means 95 degrees. That's what, and the temperature is 95 degrees. Oh yeah, y'all might not know this, but we were just talking about this on this phone. It ran out of space, so I had to use the phone that I talk on. That's what I'm doing right now. Hey everybody, this is Val and Will, but this is how you do it. Intro. Let's see. Why this phone running out of space? I don't understand. This is like the phone when you change phones and upgrade, then you just use the spare phone for videos and stuff like that. Games, where I use my spare phone to make videos, and it's still running out of space like it did when it was hooked up to the service. So that let me know it didn't even have any space in it. It ain't got nothing to do with me using it. It's just that type of phone, I guess. I showed it slip out of there. Did you see that?
Yeah, you put it, you tighten it up.
Hello, now, people. Waiting on Willie to look at him. Put some lum in the truck. Karen.
Already there.
Oh, okay.
The white man was doing something else.
Okay.
Loading that stuff in that little Jeep in the front door. I get a ticket to my cousin, Peter Jim.
Oh, yeah?
He the one told me to bag in the door, too.
Just when we decide not to do nothing up there, then we get some help, huh? To put the roof on the thing. Huh? I know.
All right, nobody appreciate you.
That man with all that curly hair. Good gracious. Got a lot of curly hair. Bring this a man.
I ain't gonna say what it look like.
That's why I say I bring this a man.
Yeah. If it is,
His hair look better than mine.
if it is, I don't know what to say.
Good gracious. Made me think I need to do something to mine.
Tell him it don't look good, you had to beat him down.
What you say?
Create a bucket of rock.
I mean, he even had frosted tips. You know, I mean, little color at the ends.
Yeah. I saw it.
We're putting the roof on the dance floor, y'all. We getting the dance floor covered. Gonna do it all. So if y'all want to have a party, rain or shine, you can have it. They ripping the tin for the roof. Well, people, we going to cut the grass. No matter how we try, we have to keep it up. Ain't it right, baby?
Yeah. That's right.
And I got a little umbrella hat to wear, y'all. Look at him. Willie got one too. He said he wasn't gonna wear his today, but he has one and see that?
I know we are.
He
My
wore.
trees are with the one.
Oh, that what it is.
Yeah, that's why I ain't wear it. I got my orange hat.
It's too many trees. I didn't know that. You know, I used to do the weed eating. Willie do the cutting. But I was gonna show you with it on, but I'll wait until we stop and get some gas before I put it on. I won't be looking like who did it and what for. And why?
I ain't gonna use the car where it was yesterday. But they ain't got but one pump right.
Yeah. We gotta get some gas before we go to the place. We finishing up the Grand Villa, y'all, with the 10. We gotta get some more 10 and some more one buys. Cost the ones
1 by 4.
one by boards.
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
Yeah.
Okay.
1 by 4 is.
Some of y'all might know what that means.
The size of the board is 1 by 4.
Okay.
I just put S on it because you get more than one.
Oh. We're gonna need 5 more. We picked up 6 yesterday. We didn't know so many went bad.
Ought to go and get 6 today.
Yeah. Cause they had did it to the bare minimum of what they needed. They thought they needed.
Yeah.
And they needed one more, didn't they?
Yeah. You need more than one more.
Yeah. And far as the 10 is concerned, the 10 just went to a certain point. We have to get some that need to be cut to fit in places that it didn't reach all the way to, and it's got it all the way straight across about why does this car need to be going on the front part, and then it'll be a done deal. It take young people, y'all, because you got to climb between the rafters to put the 10 up.
And climb on top.
Yeah, some of them went on top too. Yeah, one that went on
went
top.
on top a couple times.
Yeah. When y'all saw them cutting, that's what they call ripping. Like when they cut it and rip it, you know.
Rip it down the middle.
Down the middle, yeah. You know, I was just telling Willie, it's a shame how far apart families grow. How first cousins are not like brothers and sisters anymore.
That's true.
When we were growing up, our first cousins was like our brother and sister. Cause they came out of your uncle and auntie, and your uncle and auntie was close, like in the family. And sometimes the children stayed with your mama, you know. And then your first cousin ended up being there all the time, like he might as well be a brother or a sister. So I was talking about how when families are not like that anymore, like we would have kids and they move so far away from each other. And then the first cousins don't even know each other. And then when the older people stop having the get-togethers, the younger people don't keep the get-togethers going. It's just like they grow further and further and further apart. So we have to have that coming together. And instead of just the old people doing it all the time, the old people need to turn it over to the young people before they leave this earth, so the family can continue to be closer together. Because if you leave here and then all the get-togethers will stop for us, everybody coming together. Then you start a whole new generation. That family member that moved away, they'll have get-togethers just with their kids. And then when their kids have kids, then it'll be just with them, but it'll only be with the first cousins. So it's something to think about. Well, we here, y'all. It ain't bad. Thank you, Jesus. Just the part where they got the weed eater a little high. You have to start from the top and work my way down. You know, down like that.
Yeah.
been doing all this outdoor yard work, y'all. Been popping nails. So when I finish the yard work, then I fix my hands back together. Trailer too big.
No, too close to that tree. Oh, they ain't too big.
I want y'all to see my little head top. It's all made on the inside. Put it on your head. And it keeps you covered from the sun.
That whole pipe laying all out in the street.
Do what we do, y'all. Do what we do. What you say?
Take your truck key with you.
Okay. That's how they go. This had came down. I put it back up all the way around. And I'm working on it right now. I'll show you the finished product when I get through. That piece, I'm putting that around that pipe, and I got this much to go. Well, my beautiful people, I finished it. And this is the way it looks inside. Let me show it to you. It was all down. Now it's back up again. And this is Val. This is how you do it. I thank all you beautiful, beautiful people for joining us. And we'll see you in the next video.